Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Microware. So today we are going to demonstrate this particular wire harness test fixture in front of you. And throughout the video, we'll walk through how to implement this kind of wire harness fixture for your harness, how to reduce the production time and increase the accuracy of wire harness for your particular product, and how to enable the software and hardware for testing and analysis of wire harness. So let's start today's video and give you a very brief analysis on that. So this is a wire harness fixer which is going to tell you that the wire harness is as per requirement or not. The wire swapping is done. Is there any wire swapping or not? There is some continuity issues are not continuity issues are there or not, and it will tell you the lots of other data like how we can what is the problem and how you can solve it, like connector one is swapped and what particular number of wire is swapped. So it will also reduce the time of repairing of this kind of wire harness. So let's start a brief on that. This is one 17 connector harness. There are lots of 2 wire and 3 wire connectors are there. So we had a task that we have to check particular wire harness is as per requirement or not. This is a total mechanical mechatronic system. Inside wire harness wiring is done, and to the this particular fixer one cable is coming out, you can see here, and it is going in our control box where one embedded system is there. These customized desktop applications which is telling that wire harness is as per requirement or not. So what kind of analysis you will take, you will get from that? How many wire harness are tested here, how many failed wire harness are there, uh, what is the particular connector number that wire harness because of that particular point it is failed, and how to repair that wire harness. So this kind of details you will get it in that. Also you will have the excel file on particular wire harness to log the data. So let's have a simple walk through this wire harness fixer. So to test this kind of harness, how much time your operator will take, or how much time your technician or quality engineer will take, it will take a lots of time. Also it will generate lots of human error because to detect this particular harness with 17 points, there are 40 individual points at which we need to test it out, a continuity test. So there will be a lot human error, and this is particular harness is a power harness, so some swapping of the wire will generate a very large problems in the field also. So this particular harness will do this kind of task within 5 seconds. You can see I just need to insert this wire here. This is here, like it will take hardly uh, 5 seconds to make it possible, like to connect this kind of wire to particular side of the connections. So to test it, just need to press this button. The analysis is here. You can see how many harnesses are tested. Like we have till they tested 26 harness. Out of that, 4 harness are failed. Uh, the particular pin-to-pin connections are perfect. If I'm also showing going to show if we take the one connector out and we test it out, what kind of result it is going to give. So this analysis you will have on the Excel also. So it will take hardly a 5 second of time to test particular wire harness. So let's see if I am going to remove. So see, I am going to remove this particular connector here. So assume that the connections are not perfect as per the requirement because it has 4 wires in particular 2 pin connector, and assume that these connections are not perfect, or I'm just going to cut it down one wire and let's see what happens. So I'm just going to take it out and check whether it is going to give you a fail or not. Yeah, so system is working perfectly as per the requirement. Connector 1 pin 2 to connector 2 pin 2 is not, it's open, is also open. So it is showing results as requirement, and you can see a count of the fail, that is a 5 counts. It was before that it was 5. So I'm going to reconnect this and check whether data is working perfect or not. So you can see it is perfect, the count is 27 and file count remains 5. So this is also one wire harness fixer. This is for the 12 volt harness, 12 volt power supply harness. This is for the 5 volt, approximate 1 2 3 4 5 6 connectors are there. To reduce the production time, this kind of wireless fixer is very utilized in production area, and Microv is one of the best company to get your wire harness fixer, and we are providing this kind of fixer in India as well as out of India. So if you have any such kind of requirement, we have in-house team of electrical, electronics, mechanical and software development who is sitting on a single table and providing the best out of the best solution for any kind of fixes. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can just contact Micro. Will give you the best solutions for your requirements. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much.